There is relief for Sushil Sharma. The Supreme Court has in fact commuted the death sentence to life. It's going to be a life term now for Sushil Sharma. This, of course, is the extremely infamous 1995 Tandoor case where the victim was Naina Sharma, and now the Supreme Court has commuted the death penalty to a life term. Meenakshi reporting on this with all the details from the Supreme Court. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, yes, moments back, the Apex Court has pronounced its ruling in the Tandoor case. And what is very interesting about this case is it was a long pending case. We had seen the trial commence. You'll recall this incident itself took place in 1995, and thereafter, subsequently, the case saw trial court proceedings, and thereafter we saw the Delhi High Court take charge of the matter. What is very interesting about this case here is, remember, this is the operative part of the order that we are bringing to you for now. The trial court and the High Court had found enough merits in this case. It had found the crime itself of 1995, wherein Naina Sahni was first shot and thereafter her body was disposed of by way of burning in a tandoor by the then Congress leader Sushil Sharma. Had found it to be grotesque at that point in time. It had found it to be in the category of rarest of rare. And we have seen the trial court sentencing Sushil Sharma to death, and thereafter we have seen the High Court step in and also confirm the trial court's ruling. But now the Supreme Court has intervened, and after hearing detailed arguments, Supreme Court had reserved its orders in August 2013. Just moments back, the Supreme Court pronounced its ruling. It has commuted the death sentence to life, and the operative part of the order, Supreme Court's order, is that it has found the mitigating circumstances to be slightly tilted in Sushil Sharma's favor. And the primary mitigating circumstances which Supreme Court has considered is the prolonged incarceration of Sushil Sharma. That is something which has weighed in Sushil Sharma's favor.